Hey, YouTube community! Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the health and wellness scene, Pineal Guardian. But before we delve into the details, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of purchasing this product exclusively through the official website. Opting for department stores might seem convenient, but it exposes you to the risk of counterfeit or pirated versions, which can harm your health and hurt the original manufacturer. Pineal Guardian is a breakthrough in memory function support. Its secret formula and rare ingredients promise potential improvements in overall brain health. But what makes Pineal Guardian so unique? It's the 9 potent natural ingredients, each meticulously selected for their beneficial properties and combined into perfect synergy. Safety is a top priority for Pineal Guardian. Each ingredient undergoes stringent testing to ensure purity and the absence of toxins and contaminants. And if you're concerned about interactions with other medications, the advice is clear. Consult your doctor before starting. Dosage is straightforward. 1 drop per day, preferably in the morning. You can add it to your favorite beverage, be it tea, coffee, or juice. Just remember to shake the bottle well before use. But does Pineal Guardian work for everyone? Well, each body is unique, and while many users report significant improvements, it's important to remember that results can vary. What if you're not satisfied? The manufacturer offers a 365-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you have an entire year to test it out. And if you don't like the results, you can request a full, hassle-free refund. So, if you're ready to try Pineal Guardian and boost your brain's health, click the link in the description to be directed to the secure checkout page. Purchasing through the official website is the only way to ensure you're getting the authentic product and supporting the real creators. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our videos. See you next time!